Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best hand mixer with turbos that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Chefman 5-speed hand mixer. The handheld stirrer from Chefman has been among the best with its powerful 500 watts of power and its stylish, modern design thanks to its open back handle. In addition, the device is available in different colors so that everyone can choose the right one for themselves. Despite the strong performance, the device worked quietly and efficiently in the test. The handheld mixer also has a separate connection for blenders or universal shredders so that the device gains additional benefits through the purchase of accessories without having to buy an extra device. This was also very well with the testers. The whisk has extra balls that make it possible to beat ice cream and whipped cream more quickly as more air is whirled into the mass. This worked very well in the test and provided very fast results in looser doughs and creams, which is also due to the additional turbo level, which is again switchable beyond the 5-speed levels. Moving on at number 4, we have Hand Mixer Electric Stainless Steel Kitchen Hand Mixer. ACOC Hand Mixer 6-speed is a delicately crafted design that highlights the decor of the room where you place it if you do not want to store it after each use. Its power is 380 watts, guaranteeing the speed of the device to perform the task you give it. Its operating speed can be adjusted in 5 positions so that you can prepare pancake batter, cream, cake dough, and foam. What is certain is that the structure of each preparation will always be perfect if you use the right speed. It is accompanied by 2 whips and 2 kneading hooks that are all performing equally well for each preparation as a real success. At number 3, we have KitchenAid KHM51CB 5-speed hand mixer. The KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-speed hand mixer is the perfect go-to for nearly all of your mixing needs. 5 speeds and 2 stainless steel turbo beater accessories provide you with the power and control to mix up your favorite cookie dough, mashed potatoes and so much more. Brings the beaters up to the selected speed gradually to help prevent ingredients from splattering. Easily and quickly remove any accessory from the hand mixer with the single-handed press of a button. At number 2, we have Auster 270-watt hand mixer. There's real innovation in this hand mixer. For instance, it can heat while mixing so you can soften butter and other ingredients quickly. According to Auster, this model softens butter up to 12 times faster than non-heated mixers. The mixer has 270-watt power and 7 speeds, plus a one-touch boost of power when you need it. The eject button is one touch as well. Several parts of the HeatSoft model are dishwasher safe. These include the removable magnetic nozzle. Verified customers say it's incredibly easy and convenient to clean and use again. And finally at number 1. Cuisinart HM9 OBCS Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. Cuisinart is another trusted name in home appliances. The company was one of the first in its category to bring professional results for home use. With this model, you get a quality-built appliance that has tons of features to love. The mixer includes 3 low start speeds to reduce splattering. It has one-touch control of 9 different speeds depending upon the recipe you're creating. In addition to dough hooks, beaters and a whisk, there's a chef's spatula. According to verified reviews, the attachments are perfect for any of their recipe mixing needs.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.